Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Chrome for Privacy Sandbox and secure browsing step by step clearly. Open your computer and locate the Google Chrome browser. Double-click the Chrome icon to launch the application. Once Chrome is open, look for the profile icon in the upper right corner of the window. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Turn on Sync if you are not already logged in. A new window will appear prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your email address associated with your Google account in the provided field. Click the Next button to proceed. You will then be prompted to enter your account password. Type your password into the designated space and click Next again. Once logged in, look for Manage your Google account to access security settings. Click on this option to open your Google account page. In the left sidebar, select the Security tab. Scroll down to your devices to ensure secure browsing. Review the devices that are currently signed in to your Google account. If any unfamiliar devices appear, you can sign them out for added security. Return to the main Google account page and select the Privacy and Personalization tab. Here, explore options for managing your privacy preferences. To enable the Privacy Sandbox, navigate to the Privacy Sandbox section. Toggle on the settings for enhanced privacy features as desired. After making changes, click Save to apply the new settings. Close the Settings tab and return to your Chrome browser. You are now logged into Chrome with Privacy Sandbox and secure browsing options enabled. Enjoy a safer online experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.